welcome to my YouTube channel Gurukul Law. Friends, today we are going to starting a lecture on family law. So friends, first of all we know about what is the family law. Family law is a branch of law in which we study about all the family matters and the domestic relation. Again we repeat, family law is a branch of law in which we study about all the family matters and domestic relation. It is related to the marriage, divorce, adoption, maintenance, guardianship, custody of children, legitimacy, etc. Friends, family law is also called matrimonial law, and matrimonial law is also called law of domestic relations. That we are going to study about what is the types of family law. In India, there are 5 types of family law. First is called Hindu law, second is Muslim law, third is Christian law, fourth is Parsi law, and fifth is a special law, and another words it is called secular. Again we repeat the types of family law. There are 5 types of family law. First is Hindu law, second is Muslim law, third is Christian law, fourth is Parsi law, and fifth is a special law, another word called secular law. In this Muslim law again divided into the 2 parts. First is called the Sunni law and another is called Shia law. In Hindu law, our first point is Hindu law. In the points of Hindu law, we try to understand about various things related to the Hindu law. First is, what is Hindu law? Second, sources of Hindu law. Third, who is called Hindu? Then we know about the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956, the Hindu Minorities and Guardianship Act 1956, the Hindu Succession Act 1956, the Hindu Widow Remarriage Act 1856. This all the information and this all the topics are related to the Hindu law. Then second point is Muslim law. In Muslim law, we try to understand about what is Muslim law, what is the sources of Muslim law, what is Sunni law, what is Shia law, what is the concept of nikah, mahr, dower, and also know about incapacity of marriage, talaq, and dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1959. Our third point is Christian law, in which we study the Indian Christian Marriage Act 1872, the Indian Divorce Act 1869, the Indian Guardians and Wards Act 1890, the Indian Succession Act 1865. Our fourth point is Parsi law. In Parsi law, we study about the Parsi Marriage and Divorce Act 1936, the Guardians and Wards Act 1890. And another and the last topic and fifth topic is secular law, in which we study about the Special Marriage Act